Kembali lagi di kamar saya karena saat ini super mendung. Di luar tuh mendungnya gelap banget dan pencahayaan di ruangan lain itu terang sih, tapi kayaknya nggak seret gitu. Satu-satunya kamar yang paling terang itu kamar saya. Ada yang mau saya sampaikan, kemarin itu saya terima paket dari Terry Rossi. Ini paketnya apa ya? Pengen tahu? Kita lihat ya. Kita unboxing paket ini. Tapi saya tahu Terry Rossi ini suami dari Maria. Hai Maria, thank you. What is this? I will open it now. Oke, udah ada paket, udah ada pisaunya. Kita buka. Smell like coffee. Coffee. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Maria. The world's strongest coffee. Extreme Buzz Edition. They call banned coffee. It means terlarang karena strongest, I think. Dia punya website, jadi kita bisa beli ya dari websitenya, dan coba teman-teman kunjungi, saya kasih linknya di deskripsi bawah. Namanya www.bandcoffee.com. Terima kasih. Aduh. I will read the warning behind the back, okay? Warning, this is banned coffee. This is the world's most caffeinated coffee ever. Who doesn't need caffeine every morning, right? Like ever. Also known as Olympian jitter juice. Oh. This high-octane jolt of liquid energy will jumpstart a rhino's morning. Ooh, a rhino's. So it should work for you too. 1 cup of this coffee, your blood is caffeinated. 24 hours of work in just 30 minutes. Feel doable and childlike. Your speaking speed has tripled. We'll see. 2 cups of coffee. It is impossible to sit still. You have 911 on speed dial. I like this packaging. The room is spinning as if you have been kicked in the head by a giant donkey on blue meth. 3 cups of coffee, you hear the craziest, fastest drummer ever. Glorious beats, no way, that's your heart racing. Energy levels are so far off the chart that entering a marathon wouldn't be fair to the other competitor. You can follow this band cafe on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube, of course. I like the packaging, Maria. Maria and Terry, thank you. It sounds, this is a magical liquid in the morning. We'll see. I like it. Thank you so much. I love you both. So, teman-teman, channelnya Maria itu ini ya, channelnya Maria. Datang, kunjungin. Maria nih energetik banget orangnya. Banyak dance, banyak yang menarik dari channelnya dia. Kita support bersama, oke? Dan ini Band Cafe, jangan lupa dikunjungi juga websitenya. Ini very interesting. Lihatin, kayaknya the strongest coffee. Who doesn't need strongest coffee every morning, right? To start your day. Thank you, Maria and Terry. Thank you so much. So, the link for this coffee in description box below. Okay? So, this is the package I got. And this coffee is from California. Yeah, Band Coffee Company. So, thank you again. And see you. Don't forget to visit Maria channel, me again. Yeah. Bye-bye.